Hello and welcome. My name is Natasha Jeremic, Digital Printing Ink Development Manager here at Domino. Very often, especially in the high-resolution, high-speed digital presses, several billions of droplets get produced and placed accurately every second. In case of 1200 by 1200 dpi resolution, this number will be 4 times greater than for more common 6 by 600 dpi. Every single one of these droplets needs to be consistent, meaning they contain all necessary components and have the same chemical composition. Throughout its life, ink undergoes multiple processes and steps of use. It's made in bulk, stored and transported in commercial packaging, utilized in the Domino presses, broken up into tiny droplets in the nozzles, ejected onto the substrate, and finally fixed through chemical reaction of the UV cure. That is how a print resistant to environmental exposure and mechanical handling gets created. The numerous life stages of the ink and the fact that the ink composition changes over time require a versatile ink capable of fulfilling various roles. That is why ink is a complex mixture of multiple components. So, what is in a drop? Monomers. They are reactive diluents, carriers that reduce viscosity and deliver pigments to the substrate and represent main component of the ink, up to 80%. Their functionality affects the properties of the cured film, such as cross-linking density, shrinkage, and glass transition temperature, or indirectly hardness and flexibility of the film. Oligomers affect end-user properties. They mainly improve reactivity, adhesion, and overall durability of the system, but due to the effect on viscosity, their concentration in the inks are limited. Photoinitiators, materials that absorb certain wavelengths of UV light and form free radicals that start the curing process. They are responsible for surface or true depth cure of the film. Pigments play the role of colorants, responsible for the overall color gamut and light fastness of the ink set. They are insoluble particulates made of combination of huge number of molecules applied as finely ground solid particles mixed with liquid. Additives, surfactants, defoamers, polymerization inhibitors, amines, they all play different roles in the ink, from ensuring great print quality and absence of the foam to providing long-term ink stability in the storage. With so many materials whose right balance is essential to ink functionality and adequate image quality, the formulators have a difficult task of designing the inks that will not cause misfiring of the nozzles or change composition and properties over their lifetime. All of the several billions of drops ejected every second need to be deposited accurately without tails, satellites, or splatter. That is why a significant amount of reliability testing needs to be undertaken when a fluid is qualified for use with a printhead. Our testing assures consistent print quality for our customers. This is one of the many reasons why our customers make the right choice with Domino, as they can trust in our knowledge and expertise to deliver value to their business. I am Natasha Jeremic, DP Ink Development Manager here at Domino. Thank you for listening to my Tech Talk.